42 Barrabill Way today, and it's a lovely property, 3-bedroom, semi-detached property, great garden, fully enclosed, but it's got the side gate coming off the drive which holds 2 cars in tandem. It's one of the bedrooms has ensuite facilities, and there's also a family bathroom up there. You've got a good, well-stocked kitchen. You've got all the white goods included in that as well, and the dining area leads out here into the garden, and you've got a good front room. You're looking then out onto some grounds which probably won't be built on, so nice outlook, not looking into someone else's house. Thoroughly recommend a viewing. Have a look at the video.